What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. Today's video is all about 5 must-have chinos in terms of colors under 999 rupees from Amazon. I can pick a chino over jeans anytime. I would tell you why. 1. Versatility. 2. Availability in terms of the colors. 3. Depending on the fabric you choose, it can be practical as well as comfortable. Having said that, starting with the first color you should buy when it comes to chinos, it would be the beige color chinos. Because most often than not, we would be already having a black or blue jeans. So in order for your wardrobe to be super versatile, you need to have a beige color chinos. In case if you're not exactly a fan of this color, make sure that you go for the different shades of brown. So moving in specific to the chino number 1. It is a beige color tapered fit chino from Levi's, which I got it in a size of 32. It is priced at 2,400 rupees, but I got this close to 1,000 rupees. When it comes to the composition, they have 60% cotton and 35% of polyester. Yes, they do have polyester. And also they have 5% of elastane. And because of having 5% elastane to it, it is stretchy and it is super comfortable. It is a tapered fit and it fits just right. It is neither a slim fit nor a skinny fit. It is somewhere in between. However, the inseam length for this chinos is 32. For the sake of this video, I just pin roll this trouser to look appropriate. But in case if you want to use it, get it hemmed according to your height, guys. This particular color of the chinos, it is well suited for the casual occasions. In case if you have an outing with your friends, or if you want to build a casual outfit or a semi-casual and partly semi-formal, this particular color of the chino you should target. I really like the Levi's option in this video compared to the other ones you are gonna see. Moving on to the must-have color number 2 when it comes to chinos, it would be a navy chinos. If you love smart casuals like me, this should be the chino color you should get. It is a navy blue slim fit chinos from Amazon's own brand Symbol that I got it in a size of 32. To start with, it is fairly priced. On top of that, I got a discount of 50%, bringing down the price points close to 500 rupees. So what exactly I liked? Of course, the material composition. It is made of 100% cotton and it feels so smooth and comfortable as well with slight stretch to it. The fit of it. It is a slim fit chino and it fits just right. In line with the previous one, it do not have an option for the inseam length. The inseam length for this one is 31. A minor disqualifier I can say is in terms of the durability. You pay for what you get. You may need to replace this maybe after a year in case if you use this on a periodic basis. Moving on to the must-have color number 3 when it comes to chinos, it would be an olive green color. I feel that this is the most underrated color when it comes to chinos. Most of the men generally they tend to stick with black, blue or maybe beige color chinos. So if you are the one who can incorporate this color into your day-to-day outfits, you are gonna look ultra stylish, guys. This is one of my favorite color and I feel that it is most underrated when it comes to chinos. Moving in specific to the trouser number 3, it is a drawstring regular fit olive green chinos from Peter England. The retail price point for this trouser itself is super fairly priced at 1,500 rupees. On top of that, if you get them on discount, just like how I got, you can get them at a price point of close to 750 rupees. I can easily say that it is the best fitting chinos among the 5 options you are gonna see in this video. It fits impeccable, guys. I went true to size with size 32 and even though it's mentioned as a regular fit, it fits just like a tapered or a slimmer cut. And when it comes to the overall length, it's an ankle length chino, so you need to get them hemmed. When it comes to the overall feel of the material, it feels smooth and also it is comfortable as well. Not only stopping there, this chino have a slight shine to it. However, there is a minor disqualifier when it comes to the drawstring. In specific for the drawstring pants, generally I prefer the drawstrings to be color coordinated, but here they have gone with white color with a blue color stripes going on it. I don't know what could be the reason, but that disturbs the overall clean look for this drawstring pant. I think for a price point of 750 rupees, you can ignore that minor disqualifier, guys. Moving on to the must-have chino number 4, it would be a grey color, in specific a darker version of it. I got this Marks & Spencer dark grey regular fit chinos in a size of 32 and it is having an inseam length of 31. It is priced at 1,800 rupees and I got this at a price point of 900 rupees after 50% off. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of Marks & Spencer bottom wear because they don't fit me well. However, I wanted to give it a try and when I tried it first, I didn't like it, but after that, I started liking it. This color is super appropriate, guys. You can literally mix this with any color in your wardrobe. That's how versatile this darker version of the grey color. With the material composition being 98% cotton and 2% elastane, it has a slight stretch to it and that helps when it comes to the overall comfort of this trouser. The inseam length for this trouser is 31. As mentioned earlier, I'm not a big fan when it comes to the fit of the Marks & Spencer bottom wear, but I'm really surprised with this one. It fits really well. How a regular fit trouser should fit. Overall, it fits well, the material feels smooth and it is comfortable, and at a price point of 900 rupees in this dark grey color, it is a no-brainer, guys. Moving on to the must-have chino color number 5, and it's our favorite color. You guessed it right, it's a black color one. I got a black skinny fit chinos from Blackberry in a size of 32. These are priced at 2,400 rupees. However, I got this at a price point of 999 rupees. I really like the texture of this trouser. It is not a smooth finish nor even a corduroy finish. It is somewhere in between, with the texture resembling the small micro checks. I do not have these kind of textured chinos. That's the reason I like this one. On the trouser, it has been mentioned as Blackberry's sharp fit, and on the website it has been mentioned as skinny fit. So I'm not sure what I can expect, but I can easily say that it's not a skinny fit chinos, even though it's mentioned on the website. It is more towards the slimmer cut, and other than that, it's just a black color chinos and it fits well. Having said that, I hope you guys like this 5 must-have chinos under 999 rupees from Amazon. If you did so, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.